So today we are going to discuss about प्लीयोट्रॉपी. What is this प्लीयोट्रॉपी? देखिए नॉर्मली हमारे पास क्या होता है कि सिंगल जीन इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कंट्रोलिंग a single character, right? Let us say height is controlled by a single gene H, right? Shape of RBCs is controlled by a single gene S, right? So there are thousands of genes which are controlling a single character, right? But what is pleiotropy now? Pleiotropy is as when a single gene is controlling more than one character. ऐसा हो जब एक जीन कंट्रोल करे एक से ज़्यादा कैरेक्टर को, उस प्रोसेस को हम उस चीज़ को हम कहते हैं प्लीयोट्रॉपी, राइट? और वो जीन्स which are responsible for controlling more than one factor, these genes are known as pleiotropic genes, right? क्या कहते हैं उन genes को हम? Pleiotropic genes. Now let us take an example to understand the process of pleiotropy. So हम एक एग्जाम्पल के ज़रिए इस प्रोसेस को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. सिकल सेल एनीमिया is a pleiotropy, right? Sickle cell anemia is a disorder, ठीक? Blood disorder, hemoglobin disorder. Sickle cell anemia is a hemoglobin disorder, right? अब देखिए होता क्या है. Normally hemoglobin, our hemoglobin is made up of polypeptide chains, right? As we know, the globin part of our blood, we know the protein part of our blood is globin, and that globin is protein, and it is made up of polypeptide chains, right? Two alpha polypeptide chains and two beta polypeptide chains. Normal hemoglobin has two alpha polypeptide chains and two beta polypeptide chains, right? So what is the sickle cell anemia? First try to understand this polypeptide chains. Amino acids. What is polypeptide chain? Long chain of amino acids. Let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Similarly, if this is alpha polypeptide chain, and this is beta polypeptide chain, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So in these places, one, there is present valine, right? Second place is there is present histidine, and so on, right? Third place there is present neoline. Fourth place there is present जो है मैं यहाँ पर इसी तरीके से और भी अमाइनो एसिड जो हैं वो पाए जाते हैं. एट द प्लेस ऑफ 6 and 7 देयर इज प्रेजेंट glutamic acid. And at the 7th place there is also present glutamic acid. We are talking about beta. We are talking about beta polypeptide chain. What is sickle cell anemia? The sickle cell anemia is a disorder caused by a point mutation. राइट? पॉइंट म्यूटेशन से होती है ये सिकल सेल एनीमिया. एक डिजीज़, एक डिसऑर्डर है ये, ठीक? अब होता क्या है इस डिसऑर्डर में? म्यूटेशन कहाँ पे हो रही है? म्यूटेशन हो रही है बीटा चेन. जो हम बीटा चेन यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं, देखिए हम देख रहे हैं दिस इज अल्फा पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन एंड दिस इज बीटा पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन, राइट? सो अब म्यूटेशन कहाँ पे हो रही है? जो हमारी बीटा पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन है, इसमें जो अमाइनो एसिड्स हैं, मैंने कहा वेलाइन, हिस्टेराइन, रियोनाइन, ठीक है, ऐसे ही करके हमारे जो 0.6 पे मौजूद है ग्लूटामिक एसिड, ठीक, 0.7 पे भी मौजूद है ग्लूटामिक एसिड, राइट। बट क्या होता क्या है कि होती कैसे है सिकल सेल एनीमिया, सॉरी, दिस सिकल सेल एनीमिया इज caused by the point mutation at the number 6 position. This glutamic acid is replaced by valine. valine यहाँ पर भी मौजूद था, और this glutamic acid is replaced by this valine, right? This is a point mutation. Now what is plieotropy? प्लियोट्रॉपी से कैसे रिलेटेड है? देखिए, यहाँ पर अभी तक एक जीन, सिंगल जीन कंट्रोल कर रहा था. दिस इज a single gene which is controlling the single character of blood, right, of RBC. But here when the change takes place, now the gene become pleiotropic gene, right? And now this gene is going to control more than one character. For example, structure of RBC and shape of RBCs. There is a change. Now this gene is controlling two things here. This gene become now, due to the point mutation, this gene become now pleiotropic gene, and now this gene is controlling more than one character. Structure of RBCs and shape of RBCs is controlled by now a single gene, right? Now the shape, if we talk about the shape of the RBCs, normal the RBCs are flat, right, or we can say concave shaped. But when the change occurs, when the mutation takes place, the shape of the RBCs become sickle-like. In the name, hence the name, this is sickle-like, and hence the name sickle cell anemia. Now the shape of the RBC becomes sickle-like, and the capacity of the oxygen carrying capacity. Now an important thing, oxygen carrying capacity lowers down, ठीक है, decreases, right? This is how a single gene is controlling here more than one character.